Please give me the stick.
Kill him.
Just grab it with your hand and throw it. Or
Yeah. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't plan for it to follow Miguel. I was just trying to scare him.
Throw it.
just get it with your hand.
It's fucking nasty. Would you grab it with your hand? Grab it with your hand then.
No.
You gonna grab it? Exactly. How did it die?
Maybe it just lost power, or maybe a bomb landed on it.
There is no bomb.
Grab his head. Ew, ew. I can kill him.
Ah! Ah! I can't grab him.
Do any of you want to grab it with your hand and throw it in the trash? Not me.
Ew!
Chris, do you want to?
No! He's a cock.
A bird's just feathery, so it's not that bad.
Can't touch it.
Get a good shot of it. What are you laughing, Chris? Why are you laughing? Oh crap, it almost fell down.
Now you be the jump.